Hi everyone, my name is Albert with PPC Ad Editor, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to build your first preview using the ads that you have on your current Google Ads account. So what you want to do is click on the download from Google Ads, select on the email that you want to use to log into your account, allow permissions. Next, depending on how many accounts you have access to or any MCCs, you should see all the list of your Google Ads account by the name and the ID number. So click on that particular Google Ads account. The next screen, you'll see all of the campaigns associated in that account, all the search campaigns. You can filter by enabled, pause, or removed. So let's look at enabled. And let's go ahead and download those campaigns. So depending on the size of your campaign, meaning the number of ad groups, the number of keywords, the number of ads, it could take a little bit long to download. I wouldn't say long, maybe up to 5 minutes. So best practice is to maybe download 1 or 2 campaigns at a time if you know they're big, and then continue to add on later. But for now, let's just wait. Okay, so it finished downloading. So here is what the preview looks like. And again, this is from an actual account that's live now. At the very top, you see the account level extensions, site links, callouts, structured snippets. As you continue to scroll down, this is the first campaign. So the campaign name is PPC-Search USA. We also have some campaign level extensions here. And as you scroll down, our first ad group is Google. Again, we have ad group level extensions. Continue to scroll down. This is our responsive search ad. So for this particular ad, we have 14 headlines and 4 descriptions. You can see the preview here on the right-hand side. If you wanted to, you can click on randomize variations. So you can see all of the different variations of the ad. And if you continue to scroll down, we have 2 RSA ads in this particular ad group, followed by the keywords. You'll notice that these green lights show that this particular ad group is enabled, and we also have other ad groups in here, but they're paused. But if you continue to scroll down, or if you click on the actual links, it will anchor down to that particular section. So let's go all the way back up. You can use this cool filter here if you don't want to show particular sections of your preview. So if you don't want to show extensions, you can turn that off. Oops. That way you can just focus only on the ads. If you want to edit these objects, just click on the object itself. You'll be able to edit any of the headlines or descriptions. Once you are happy with your ads, you can click on the share button or the icon, which will pop up this menu. Similar to a Google Docs, you can copy the URL and send it to whoever you need to that needs to review the ads. You can also set the URL permissions here. Viewer means just read only. They're only able to see the previews but do nothing else. Editor access gives them full rights to edit any of the fields. So if you have copywriters or other teammates that you want to share the preview with and you want them to be able to create their own headlines or edit their own headlines and descriptions, you would give them the editor view. And then finally, commenter, excuse me, only gives them the ability to comment on the preview. Once you share the URL, they'll see the exact same screen here. And then based off of the permissions you set, for example, if you just give them commenter access, then you would only able to see this bubble here, and then they can leave a comment there. If you wanted to add any more objects, you can just click the edit button there, and then you'll be able to edit any of the objects that you shows. Let's flip this back on, for example. And you can edit here. Here's the menu. You can hide, duplicate, disable, meaning pause the different objects as you want. And again, here's the menu. Okay, thank you for watching.